It is now day 37 of the eruption of the Cumbre Vieja ridge on the island of La Palma. In recent days, there have at times been 3 or even 4 simultaneously erupting vents which each produce spectacular fountains of lava. The eruption has produced a tall ash cloud which at times has reached 3 kilometers or 9,842 feet into the atmosphere. Due to prevailing winds, this ash has mostly been carried westwards, even reaching and affecting the Caribbean. Last Thursday, on the island of Barbados, a distinct albeit weak haze descended over the region, thus reducing visibility. According to some residents, a distinctive burnt matches smell was present. This haze mostly contained sulfur dioxide gas and luckily contained concentrations too low to be directly harmful to human health. Other areas such as Puerto Rico and Venezuela have also received this haze at times, despite being 3,106 miles or 5,000 kilometers distant. As of the writing of this video, although the still-forming cinder cone has not been measured to a high degree of accuracy, a statement was given which contained its approximate height. In only a little over a month, the still-growing cinder cone has grown to a height of at least 200 meters or 656 feet above the ground where it was before. To understand the impressive rate of growth, see what this hillside looked like before the eruption. And now, here's what it looks like today. The height of this cinder cone places it in the mid-range of typical heights for cinder cones, which range from 91 meters to 366 meters tall. With this being said, it is still smaller than a cinder cone known as SP crater, which is located in my home state of Arizona. That cinder cone measures 250 meters in height. Of course, given the rate of growth, the La Palma cinder cone may eventually surpass it. In recent days, those of you who monitored ongoing earthquake activity at La Palma may have noticed something strange. The earthquakes seemingly occurred in a grid pattern which was evenly spaced apart. The reason for this is that the grid does not truly represent the location of the earthquakes. Calculating the exact location of an earthquake is difficult, and as a result only a few decimal places are used. Thus, what you are seeing represents rounding errors from earthquakes which occurred relatively close to the given location. This error is compounded for deeper earthquakes which have produced the majority of ground movements throughout the eruption which rate on the Richter scale as a 4 or higher. The largest earthquake occurred on October 23rd at 1634 local time and registered as a magnitude 4.9 quake. Due to the margin of error present on the magnitude of this quake, which is plus or minus 0.2, the earthquake may represent not only the largest quake to hit the island of La Palma, but also its first magnitude 5 earthquake. Luckily, this did not cause any significant damage. Although lava flows have continued to expand across the island, there is still only one lava delta. To the south of the still growing lava delta is another lava flow which is less than 100 meters from reaching the ocean. Its flow has already cascaded across a cliff and onto a platform created by the 1949 eruption. It is quite likely that it will eventually merge with the flow to the north, creating a much larger lava delta. As of the writing of this video, lava flows now cover an area of 901 hectares, which roughly translates to 3.5 square miles. In total, 2,276 homes and structures have been destroyed by this still ongoing eruption. Thanks for watching. If